Hi. If the Seed for Me VPN app on Mac shows a server failed error, gets stuck on the first screen, you cannot log into your account, or no locations are loading, do not worry. This is usually not an app or account-related issue. In most cases, it means that the app cannot reach the main servers to synchronize data because something is preventing the connection. In this video, we will explain the most common solutions to fix the server unreachable issue on macOS devices. Follow the steps in order to restore Seed for Me VPN and get it working again. Step 1. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Seed for Me VPN app. If the app is outdated, it may not be able to connect to our servers correctly. To update the app, visit the official Seed for Me website, download the latest macOS version, and install it. Download links are available in the video description. After updating, open the app and check if the issue is resolved before continuing to the next step. Step 2. Check your macOS date and time settings. Incorrect date or time settings can silently break secure connections and cause login or synchronization errors. Open System Settings, go to General, then Date and Time. Make sure that Set Date and Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically are enabled. If the options are already enabled, turn them off, wait a few seconds, then enable them again to force a synchronization. If automatic time doesn't update, switching to a different time server often fixes the problem. You can try pool.ntp.org or time.google.com. Once the date and time are fully synchronized, restart the Seed for Me VPN app and try it again. Step 3. Clear the app data on macOS. First, make sure the Seed for Me VPN app is completely closed. Open Finder. At the top of the screen, click on the Go menu, then choose Go to Folder. In the folder path field, paste the following location. Then click Go. When the folder opens, delete all files inside the Seed for Me folder. After that, open the Seed for Me VPN app again and check if the problem is resolved. Step 4. Check your DNS and proxy settings. In some networks, the default DNS servers or proxy settings may block VPN connections. Open System Settings and go to Network. Select your active network connection, such as Wi-Fi or Ethernet, then click Details. Open the DNS section and add a public DNS server, such as Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS. Next, open the Proxies section and make sure that all proxy options are disabled. Click OK to save the changes. After that, restart your Mac, open the Seed 4.me VPN app, and test the connection again. Step 5. Check firewall, security software, and VPN conflicts. macOS security settings or third-party firewall and antivirus software may block the app from reaching our servers. Other VPN or proxy applications installed on your Mac can also cause conflicts, even if they are not currently connected. Temporarily disable or remove any other VPN or proxy apps, then test the connection again. If you are using third-party security software, temporarily disable it and try connecting. If the app works, add Seed for Me VPN to the allowed or trusted applications list. If you are connected to a restricted, work, or public network, try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using a mobile hotspot. Once the connection is successful, re-enable your security software. If none of these steps resolves the issue, do not worry. This does not mean that the service is unavailable or that there is a problem with your account or Seed for Me VPN. Please contact Seed for Me support team and include your macOS version, your region, your internet service provider, and any technical details you believe may be helpful. The team will review the issue and assist you as quickly as possible. Thank you for using Seed for Me VPN.